Today with a review of the Kaiweets 12-volt power supply. I have an old Astron power supply that's about as old as I am. It's super heavy, super cumbersome to carry around. It's non-adjustable. It's either on or off, and it really doesn't work for what I'm looking for. What I need is a power supply that's adjustable. And you can see on the front here, we've got knobs that'll adjust everything from the voltage to the wattage to the amps, and this probably will do more than what I need it to do. For me, I just need something that I can adjust in the 12 to 13 volt range for ham radio, and then I need something that'll work, down around the 5 volt range to do some testing and electronic work and stuff, just playing around here at the house. I'm by all means no expert, but the Kaiweets brand seemed to appeal to me when I was looking at it, price versus features versus reviews and quality. It seemed to be pretty consistent across the board. Another thing that keeps me in tune with this is the fact that it's got the handle on the top. It's super lightweight. It's not real heavy. It utilizes a standard connector just like a computer power supply, the little 3-pin configuration. You can look at the back of the unit here. You'll see that it's basically it looks just like a power supply, except when you look at it from the side and you can see the whole circuitry inside down in the bottom. Nice little cooling fan on the back, so for those long-term usages, it's going to be really versatile to be able to use it. If we were going out at Hamfest or a field day or something like that, I could just pick this up, set it down on the table. You can buy these connectors. I'm not sure what they're called. They're like push-in connectors, and they push right into the front of the unit here, positive and negative. It comes with this alligator clip set for testing. It's relatively nice, tied together, rubber boots over both, but you could buy those clips to actually plug your radio in, or if you wanted to, you can spin these off. I'm trying to do it without dropping it. And you can put your eyelet terminal over that on your power supply, and then just basically screw this right back on, tighten it down, and you're good to go. Now, kind of the key question is, how accurate is this? We're going to fire it up, and we're going to see where it's set at right now, which is about 12.07. So I'm going to fine tune that down just till we reach 12.0. There we go. So we're setting flat at 12 volts. Now what I'm going to do is take my tack life meter, and I'll post a link to this up there where I did the review on this. And I'm going to plug this in. Now this tack life meter has the same style little push-in clips because it comes with alligator clips that you can clip on. But I'm going to plug this in. We're still at 12 volts. And I'm going to look on here, and you can see right there, we're at 12.02. So between this and this is 0.02 of a difference. For what I'm doing, I don't care. That doesn't make any difference to me at all, because 0.02 of a volt is not going to make a difference. If you're getting into some high-tech, super expensive electronics, you're going to have a way higher end unit than this that's way more tunable. And that's fine. And it could be nothing more than a calibration in this meter showing that 0.02 of a volt difference. So don't let that steer you off. For normal 12 volt usage, this is going to work great. I'm not going to have any problem with it. I can dial that voltage up either with the course adjustment here. You can see it'll run 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24. I'm just going to dial it on up. As far as it'll go. 32.06 volts. We're showing 32.0. Screen's not big enough to show the 06, but we're at 32 volts on here. We'll dial that back down again. Coming all the way down as low as we can go. And we're at 0.02 of a volt, dialed all the way down. correction, it actually dropped all the way to 0 before I finished saying that. So there again, I mean, we can turn this up. We can set whatever voltage we want. If your radio, and I'm talking about ham radios, is designed to operate at 13.2 volts or 12.7 or whatever the case may be, the reason I like this adjustable is I'm going to be able to adjust that radio to the point of its optimal peak power. If you don't have full voltage going into the radio, it's not going to send out the full 25 or 35 or 5 watts, whatever the case may be that it's set for. The lower the voltage, the lower the output. So in realms of communication, you want to be getting that full voltage. And when you're testing and basically in here in the house programming, I can pop that radio in, pop program cable in it, flip it on, do everything on the computer, boom, programmed, out the door, put it back in the vehicle, and we're ready to go. Guys, listen, I appreciate y'all tuning in today. It's been great sharing this information with you. We were doing several reviews on products, trying to get information out there for you that'll help you out in your decision as far as purchase or repairs and things of that nature. So stick with us. We're going to be coming to you with more. Always remember, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell so you can get notified. Give us a thumbs up and drop comments or questions down below.